Hi guys, this is one of my grandson's touch lights, bedside light. It's got this adapter. What does that say on it? Input 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 Hertz AC, output 10 volts, 0.28 amps, 2.8 watts. And apparently it stopped working. Now I think you might have a bit of a clue here. It's a touch light, you just touch it here to turn it on. But it's not working at all. I'll just plug it in and check it's not working. No, nothing happening there. So we'll unplug it again. And as far as I can see, there's no moving parts. Got a twin wire there. I think it goes in there, round here, and up to here. So we've either got the LEDs have died, or the wires have come loose. There's no screws on it to unscrew it, so I'm guessing we have to try and sort of pop it out. It looks like that might move. Oh, look at that. I think that was a bit of luck, that. Must have just got the right position first time. Okay, so it's got some glue around there, and I think we can see the problem. Wire's off. But the other problem, of course, is that's a bit loose. I don't know if we can glue it in or something. And then bring that over there to there. I wonder if we can make that reach with the power on it. Just looking to see if I've got some pliers that I can hold it with. Right. There we go. That wasn't terribly technical. The only problem we will have, well, a couple of problems, but one we will have is it's probably going to be very hard to solder onto there, because that's going to be an aluminium heatsink. I'm going to need to get my iron as hot as possible, so it takes as little time as possible to make that connection. And then we've got to try and figure out some way of gluing this in, I think. I think that's all we can do, glue it. I suspect if we put lots of super glue in there or something, that might grip it. Right. The safe side again, unplug it. Those are very stiff wires. Right, soldering iron. That's typical that. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So I've just used my extra hot soldering iron, or at least the one that allows me to alter the temperature, and I tend to run it extra hot for just this sort of purpose, and I've just soldered it, but I don't think the camera was recording. So that's rather annoying. Anyway, I've just plugged this back in again, so this might be a bit bright if it works. Oh yeah, there we go. So the touch light works. All we've got to do now, so I think I'll put lots of glue, super glue in there or something, to try and rigidly hold it in place. And then we need some sort of glue around here as well to hold the cover in, the lens. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.